YouTube Nation, what it do, y'all? Top of the top. It's Saturday morning. I'm about to go ahead and load the bike up, get with the homies. We finna go out there, hit the dirt. Finna go to the desert. I get back at y'all a little later when I get to the dirt, but this is to start this video off while I'm still at the house. At the crib, about to go get it in and have a little fun, enjoy life. Stay tuned. YouTube Nation, what it do, y'all? It's your boy out here today. We out here in the dirt, getting it in on these bikes, hanging out with the homie R-Rag. You see, one thing about me, right? It's why I don't indulge and talk about disrespecting other races, because I hang out with other races. I'm out here with a bunch of Mexicans and the homies right now. You know what I mean? And some white dudes, so this is natural shit. This is cool, man. Nigga ain't with all that slanging and racial hate and shit like that. I'm anti-racist, anti-hate. I don't do that shit. Niggas just out here having fun, enjoying life, man. Know a lot of good people, man, all races. So you know a lot of good people. You got co-workers and shit like that, man. You can do things like that. That's the grown-up way of doing things like that. But anyway, y'all, just want to tap in, let y'all see what we doing. I'm gonna continue to give y'all some more footage. Right now, I'm about to jump on this bike. I ain't got my mount, so I can't really mount the phone to the handlebars of my bike as I roll like that. But man, we out here having fun, man. Check your boy out. That's what it's all about, man. Nice to be in the joint. Nice to be like going through the mountains and shit. Just be like, I can't wait to just experience that shit on my own. What it's like besides a damn state bus or working on a fire crew, right, on your own. You just come up here, check them out. We getting it. Yeah, we finna do a long ride though, y'all. We finna get a trail ride on, and we'll give y'all a little bit more footage. I'm the only one on the dirt bike, everybody else on quad. Ride out, y'all. We out here.
My kids say they not hungry. I'm gonna bring that car. No, I don't know. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money. From the people that go say I don't